Hello everybody, this is me once again, and today I'm going to show you how to make your character cough, sneeze, cry, and laugh. But first, you need to click dialogue and pick character, whatever you pick, and then this is the first time I made that video, because alright. Pound size. Alright. Alright. But let's go to coughing. Cough. Alright, let's watch that video. See what I mean? I'm not being rude, okay? 12:30. Video will come back to you in 1 o'clock, which is 30 minutes. Alright, time to watch that video. Alright, let's see this. This is how you do it. So, this is me right there signing off. This is me right there signing off.